Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.
Hi everyone! How are your Urdu listening skills? In this video, you'll have a chance to test them out with a quiz. First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक खातून एक बुक स्टोर पर स्टोर क्लर्क से कुछ मांग रही है। ये खातून कौन सी किताब देखना चाहती है? मुआफ़ कीजिएगा, मैं इस शेल्फ पर रखी एक किताब देखना चाहती हूँ।
आप कौन सी किताब देखना पसंद करेंगी?
वो जो कारों के बारे में है।
एक मिनट प्लीज़। क्या ये किताब?
जी हाँ, यही किताब।
ये लीजिए।
ये खातून कौन सी किताब देखना चाहती है? एक खातून एक बुक स्टोर पर स्टोर क्लर्क से कुछ मांग रही है। ये खातून कौन सी किताब देखना चाहती है? मुआफ़ कीजिएगा, मैं इस शेल्फ पर रखी एक किताब देखना चाहती हूँ।
आप कौन सी किताब देखना पसंद करेंगी?
वो जो कारों के बारे में है।
एक मिनट प्लीज़। क्या ये किताब?
जी हाँ, यही किताब।
ये लीजिए।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time. How are your Urdu listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक रेस्टोरेंट में एक मर्द और एक खातून मेन्यू देख रहे हैं। मर्द क्या ऑर्डर करने जा रहा है?
आप क्या ऑर्डर करेंगी?
लगता है पिज़्ज़ा जायकेदार होगा। मेरा ख्याल है मैं वही लूँगी।
मैंने कल ही पिज़्ज़ा खाया है, इसलिए।
ठीक है, तो फिर हैमबर्गर के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
बेहतर है, मैं वो ही लूँगा।
मर्द क्या ऑर्डर करने जा रहा है? एक रेस्टोरेंट में एक मर्द और एक खातून मेन्यू देख रहे हैं। मर्द क्या ऑर्डर करने जा रहा है?
आप क्या ऑर्डर करेंगी?
लगता है पिज़्ज़ा जायकेदार होगा। मेरा ख्याल है मैं वही लूँगी।
मैंने कल ही पिज़्ज़ा खाया है, इसलिए।
ठीक है, तो फिर हैमबर्गर के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
बेहतर है, मैं वो ही लूँगा।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time. How are your Urdu listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक मर्द डॉक्टर के दफ्तर फ़ोन कर रहा है। उसे किस वक्त तक डॉक्टर के दफ्तर पहुंच जाना चाहिए? हेलो, मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
आज किस वक्त आपका दफ्तर बंद होगा?
हम 6 बजे बंद करेंगे, लेकिन बराहे करम 5:30 बजे से कबल आ जाएं।
ठीक है, शुक्रिया।
उसे किस वक्त तक डॉक्टर के दफ्तर पहुंच जाना चाहिए? एक मर्द डॉक्टर के दफ्तर फ़ोन कर रहा है। उसे किस वक्त तक डॉक्टर के दफ्तर पहुंच जाना चाहिए? हेलो, मैं आपकी क्या मदद कर सकती हूँ?
आज किस वक्त आपका दफ्तर बंद होगा?
हम 6 बजे बंद करेंगे, लेकिन बराहे करम 5:30 बजे से कबल आ जाएं।
ठीक है, शुक्रिया।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time. How are your Urdu listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक लड़का अपनी जर्नल से पढ़ रहा है। आज के दिन लड़के ने सबसे पहला काम क्या किया?
आज मौसम बड़ा सुहाना था। मैं दोपहर में पूल पर स्विमिंग के लिए गया और शाम को मैं एक फ़िल्म देखने गया। मैंने भी सुबह भर पढ़ाई की। आज का दिन बुरा नहीं रहा।
आज के दिन लड़के ने सबसे पहला काम क्या किया? एक लड़का अपनी जर्नल से पढ़ रहा है। आज के दिन लड़के ने सबसे पहला काम क्या किया?
आज मौसम बड़ा सुहाना था। मैं दोपहर में पूल पर स्विमिंग के लिए गया और शाम को मैं एक फ़िल्म देखने गया। मैंने भी सुबह भर पढ़ाई की। आज का दिन बुरा नहीं रहा।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time. How are your Urdu listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
एक मर्द और एक खातून एक तस्वीर देख रहे हैं। वो कौन सी तस्वीर देख रहे हैं? क्या ये इस फुटबॉल टीम की तस्वीर नहीं है, जिसमें आपका बेटा भी है? आपका बेटा कौन सा है?
ये है।
ओहो, वो सबसे लंबा है।
जी हाँ, वो तो मुझसे भी लंबा है।
वो कौन सी तस्वीर देख रहे हैं? एक मर्द और एक खातून एक तस्वीर देख रहे हैं। वो कौन सी तस्वीर देख रहे हैं? क्या ये इस फुटबॉल टीम की तस्वीर नहीं है, जिसमें आपका बेटा भी है? आपका बेटा कौन सा है?
ये है।
ओहो, वो सबसे लंबा है।
जी हाँ, वो तो मुझसे भी लंबा है।
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time. Want to finally start speaking in your target language? In this guide, you'll discover the top 7 ways to practice speaking on your own with our lessons. Let's begin. Number 1, shadowing. Shadowing is a proven learning technique where all you do is repeat what you hear in order to practice speaking. So, access any audio or video lesson on the site and press the play button to start. Then, as you listen or watch, just repeat the conversations. Or, even easier, read along out loud with the dialogue section. The script is right there in front of you. With our lessons, you can master entire conversations, just like that. Number 2, read out loud. I just mentioned it, but reading out loud is another powerful tactic and deserves its own mention. With every lesson, you get written transcripts and translations. So, as you play the lesson, read the dialogue out loud as you hear it. Why?
By reading out loud, you're also practicing your speaking skills. You can do this with the lesson notes, the lesson transcript, or the dialogue tool. With the dialogue tool, you can listen to each line again and again, and repeat out loud until you master them all. Number 3, speed up your reading to speed up your speaking. Being able to speak without thinking is a sign of language mastery. If you're talking to a native and can respond quickly, they'll assume that you're fairly fluent. How can you do this? When you read out loud, try increasing your speed a little bit every time. So, start by reading with the dialogue tool. If you're like most learners, you'll read the first line slowly. That's because you're still getting used to the words, which is okay. Reread it. On your second try, you know most of the words, and you'll read a little faster. Reread it again. On your third try, you'll be even faster, at a native speaker's speed. And being able to read these phrases out loud and fast will help you speak fast. Number 4, record and compare yourself with native speakers. In order to sound like a native speaker, you must imitate native speakers. So here's how. Access the voice recorder, which is in the Dialogue Study tool in every lesson. Click on the microphone icon. Listen to the native speaker's audio, and then record yourself. You can then compare the 2 recordings side by side, and practice and try again and again until you perfect your pronunciation. Number 5, get feedback from our Premium Plus teacher. If you're learning by yourself and don't have access to real teachers, then you can always get feedback from our Premium Plus teachers. With the My Teacher tool, you can record yourself speaking and send the audio file to the teacher. They'll review it and tell you what to improve and how. That's it. Number 6, level up your speaking with Premium Plus assignments. With Premium Plus, you can also get assignments that cover reading, writing, listening, and even speaking from your teacher. These assignments can be tailored to your goals and needs. You get a new one every week, or anytime you're ready for a new one. Number 7, get even more lessons in the lesson library. If you want even more lessons on speaking and conversations, visit our lesson library and under Category, choose Conversation. You'll get all of the pathways and lessons that are focused on speaking. If you enjoyed these tips, hit the like button, share it with anyone who's trying to learn a language, and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week. And if you're ready to finally learn language the fast, fun, and easy way, and start speaking from your very first lesson, get our complete learning program. Sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Click the link in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and this is Afra. Welcome to our series Urdu Top Words. So today our lesson would be Top 10 Questions That You Should Know. So let's get started. Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? So the first question is, Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Mera naam Afra hai. My name is Afra. Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Aap kahan se hain? Where are you from? Main Lahore se hoon. I'm from Lahore. Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? Aapki salgira kab hai? When is your birthday? Meri salgira November mein hai. My birthday is in November. Aap kahan rehti hain? Where do you live? Aap kahan rehti hain? Where do you live? Main Lahore mein rehti hoon. I live in Lahore. So guys, you're going to notice that in a lot of questions, I'm going to be using some words which I'm going to change according to the principles of masculine and feminine nouns and verbs. And if you want to know more about it, please do visit our website. We have a whole other series explaining Urdu nouns and verbs and how the rules of masculine and feminine apply to it. So please try to stay with me on this one. Aapka phone number kya hai? What's your phone number? So the next question is, Aapka phone number kya hai? What is your phone number? Mera phone number ye hai. My phone number is. So you just have to replace your number with the word ye, and ye literally means this. आपने उर्दू कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Urdu? आपने उर्दू कहाँ से सीखी? Where did you learn Urdu? मैंने उर्दू urdupod101.com से सीखी. I learned Urdu from urdupod101.com, which would be true in your case. Okay. क्या आप पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करती हैं? Do you like Pakistani food? क्या आप पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करती हैं? So if you're a guy, you would be using करते हैं, but if you're a girl, you'll be using करती हैं. Do you like Pakistani food? जी हाँ, मैं पाकिस्तानी खाना पसंद करता हूँ. Yes, I like Pakistani food. क्या आप पाकिस्तान गए हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? क्या आप पाकिस्तान गई हैं? Have you been to Pakistan? जी हाँ. Yes. आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कहाँ जाना चाहते हैं? Where do you want to go in Pakistan? मैं लाहौर जाना चाहती हूँ. I want to go to Lahore. आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? आप पाकिस्तान में कितने दिन के लिए हैं? For how many days are you in Pakistan? मैं 5 दिनों के लिए पाकिस्तान में हूँ. I am in Pakistan for 5 days. So this is the end of lesson, guys. I hope you like our video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below and check our website www.urdupod101.com. See you until next time. Allah Hafiz.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Urdu ebook before it's gone.